to a new video of Team Trides. Because it's good weather, we're gonna make a review about the log flume at Saint-Paul.
Okay,
Yes.
go.
Yeah.
I need the water.
Yeah, it's hot, it's good weather, so yeah, we need to do this because we need refreshment. This log flume is built by Interlink and opened in 2002, so we are curious about this one. It is looking very nicely themed about dinosaurs. It's Dino Splash, we're not confused with the Dino Splash in Plopsaland. But yeah, we're gonna do this this log flume for you guys, only for you. So if you wanna see what we think about, just yeah, watch the video, of course.
That should be.
What the fuck? What the fuck? Shit. Oh. Ah. Ah. Oh my god. Oh, fuck jongens. Oh, oh fuck. Huh?
come off Dino Splash here. And we completely wet. We are
wet.
soaked. Really
Skin in
soaked.
my clothes you don't can see well, but it's completely mad.
Oh, this.
You take a shower.
Yeah, I take a shower. I think. Yeah. This log flume has 2 drops, but really, wow, the 2 drops are really, really wet.
Yes, it's good. It's good weather. It's too hot.
Yeah, we got lucky with the weather also, so that's the reason why we want to do this log flume. About the log flume, it's a very nice themed.
Yes,
Yeah,
it's nice.
by dinos.
It's
really.
not too big attraction, but
No, it's a smaller attraction, but yeah, I really like it. It's a two drop special. So yeah, if you come over here and you do this attraction, just be sure you have some other clothes or anything like that, because it's going to be really wet. Or you have to see it's good weather, of course.
Yes, it's too hot. Yes.
But yeah, we like this attraction, really. So yeah. You have to be prepared to get wet.
Also socks extra.
Yeah, some extra socks also,
underwear.
and maybe underwear also. Yeah, because I feel dripping it inside. But yeah, it's a small attraction, but a nicely themed attraction for a smaller park like this one. Yeah, so if you come over here, you just have to do this attraction for sure.
For sure.
So if you like this video, just put your thumbs up, put your comments below, and just follow us for the next adventure, because and maybe I hope a drier adventure than this one.
And see you in the next video.
Bye bye.